Foley artist recreates sound effects live to what's happening on the screen. You shouldn't notice it. It should just fit seamlessly and should sound like production track. Ideas come to me all the time. It just depends on where I'm at and what sounds are around me. There's a lake near where I live, and it's just full of sound, and it's really fun to go there and just be quiet and listen. I've been doing Foley for over 30 years. My dad was an actor on a television show called Green Acres, and he had a friend who was a sound editor, and I was his assistant for a couple of years. You'd go into the sound stage and they were cool. It was like cold in there and it smelled musty and it was just magical to me. I've been lucky enough to work on some of the Matrix films, all Chris Nolan films, Prestige and Dark Knight, Disney animation, Frozen, Tangled, Big Hero 6. It looks like a garage, almost, just full of junk, really. I work closely with our mixer, Mary Jo, and my Foley partner, Chris.
Okay.
You have to kind of go into that mode of, I don't really know what that would sound like, but I have to guess what it would sound like and what you think it's going to sound like. It's really a performance.
Here we go.
Yeah, I bet she's the nicest, gentlest, warmest person ever. Oh, look at that. I've been impaled.
The first couple of takes are the best because they have the most energy in them. Here we go.
When I first started, I would just fall down on the cement. And then over time, we don't do that anymore.
Foley is a unique kind of sound because it's bigger than life, but it still sounds like life.
It's emotional. It's you're conveying, sometimes you are conveying emotions in a scene. Yeah. My greatest joy when I'm working is when everything falls into place in sync. It's very gratifying to watch it back.